Benefit Risk Management. Welcome to today's detailed exploration of benefit risk management in pharmacovigilance. This presentation is pivotal as we navigate through the intricacies of maintaining the balance between benefits and risks of pharmaceutical products after they have entered the market. Our focus will be on the comprehensive evaluation and management strategies that safeguard public health by ensuring that the benefits of medicines continue to outweigh their risks throughout their life cycle. Disclaimer. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. The content on these slides is copyrighted by Next PV Services SRO and is based on the views of the creator. However, it's worth mentioning that Next PV leverages artificial intelligence, AI, to enhance our operations. While AI helps us create high-quality content, the human team ensures accuracy and relevancy. This AI-generated voiceover and script show how technology is playing a role in delivering high-quality, accurate content, with humans guiding it to ensure relevance and integrity. Content. Now, let's outline the content of our discussion today. We will cover a spectrum of processes and considerations integral to benefit risk management. These include detailed discussions on pharmacovigilance processes, such as signal management, the specifics of crisis management, and the frameworks that support urgent safety measures. Additionally, we will delve into how safety information is communicated and managed through regulatory frameworks and explore the various types of regulatory referrals and safety variations that play crucial roles in benefit risk evaluations. Abbreviations. On this slide, we list all the abbreviations used throughout this presentation. This is to ensure that you can easily follow the discussions without getting lost in the complex terminology typical of pharmacovigilance. By familiarizing yourself with these abbreviations, you'll be better equipped to understand the detailed information discussed, enhancing the educational value of this session. Background. We must emphasize the importance of continuous benefit risk assessment even after a medicine has received marketing authorization. Periodic Safety Update Reports, PSUR, and Adverse Condition Outcomes, ACO, are examples of how ongoing evaluations are conducted to ensure that the benefits of a drug consistently outweigh its risks. These examples serve to highlight the dynamic nature of pharmacovigilance activities, which are critical to adapting to new safety data and emerging health concerns. PV processes in BR management. This is an overview of the various pharmacovigilance processes that are fundamental to managing the benefit-risk profile of medicines. BR management involves how signals are managed from detection through to evaluation, the strategic approaches employed in crisis management, and the implementation of additional risk minimization measures. Each of these components is crucial for the proactive management of drug safety and efficacy in real-world scenarios. Crisis management. Here are detailed the protocols for addressing pharmacovigilance crises. We define what constitutes a crisis in pharmacovigilance and outline the immediate steps that are taken to manage such situations, including the roles and responsibilities of key personnel such as the EU Qualified Person for Pharmacovigilance, QPPV. Besides this slide, we would like to underscore the importance of rapid, coordinated responses in maintaining patient safety. Urgent safety restrictions. URS are critical processes triggered by validated safety signals that could potentially alter the benefit-risk balance of a medicine. This includes a thorough review of how urgent safety restrictions are implemented, the collaborative roles of various regulatory authorities, and the engagement of stakeholders in this process. This ensures a swift and effective regulatory response to mitigate any immediate risks to public health. Safety communication. Safety communication must be executed precisely, focusing on the strategic dissemination of new or emerging safety information. This slide highlights the objectives behind safety communications, the methods employed to ensure effective outreach, and the impact of these communications on public perceptions and the clinical use of medicines. Safety variations. In discussing safety variations, we explain the types of changes that might occur in a medicine's life cycle that could significantly impact its quality, safety, or efficacy. We also cover the roles of marketing authorization holders, MAHs, and regulatory bodies in managing these variations, emphasizing the collaborative efforts required to ensure continuous drug safety. Referrals. Our discussion on referrals is split into two parts, starting with the first part focusing on the initiation of referrals due to safety concerns or disagreements among member states. This includes an overview of the roles of the Pharmacovigilance Risk Assessment Committee, PRAC, and the Committee for Medicinal Products for Human Use, CHMP, in this process. Continuing with the second part of referrals, we further explore the various types of referrals, including urgent union procedures, and those involving concerns over the safety, quality, or efficacy of medicines. This comprehensive overview helps delineate the regulatory pathways that ensure medicines on the market maintain a favorable benefit-risk profile. Additional monitoring. This topic is also covered in 2 slides, starting with an introduction to the concept and the regulatory requirements for post-marketing surveillance. This is essential for certain medicines that may have less well-characterized safety profiles or are being used in wider populations than initially tested. Here we provide further insights into the criteria for selecting medicines for additional monitoring and the specific markers used to identify these medicines. This includes a discussion on the implications of such monitoring for healthcare providers and patients. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please don't hesitate to contact us at NextPV. We're committed to not only fulfilling tasks, but also supporting and taking care of our clients. We look forward to hearing from you and continuing our collaboration in the field of pharmacovigilance.